Hello everyone. Today I will present my Xhorse FT-OBD tool I just received. This is the original package, how it came. It's not opened yet. It will be the first time when I open it, and we will set it up together. So in the box we have quality pass check, silica gel, and a small book which is written in Chinese on both parts. Okay, and this is the tool. It's sealed, it's white. It's a glossy white. It have an USB-C connector, one button, and 4 LEDs. Let's set it up. So as you can see in my tool, it's not set it up yet. I will turn on the power supply. When I connect it, it's a white circle glowing up. Let's go to account, combine device, combine a device. Okay, just connect and select binding list. Okay. First I need to connect to the tool, and then I think I will be able to combine it with my account. Okay, so we have connected. Device information, okay, has not been bind. I will bind it with my account. When it's connected, we have one more LED, which is blue. Okay, 855 475 855 474. Wrong code. Okay, it's 855 474, not 0. Okay, so now it's binded with my account. Let's see on update. We are using the last firmware. So the database is the last version. Okay, device information, we have only few information. We have a history, what we did, what we not did. Okay, let's select from model. Okay, these are the models which it supported. from system we have 4C, 4D, 8A, 4C, different types, type 86. But I don't have any car to try it. Remote system. Okay. So normally I try remote system, no data for current device. Okay, let's maybe re-download again. Okay, server missing the file. Okay, now I have the file. Database corrupted. Update success. Okay, now it's working. So this is the smart system before 2016. 4D, 8A, 4D and type 6. So before 2016. Let's see, we have read EEPROM data, generate emergency key or add keys. For each type of chip we have same menu structure. Okay, we can generate emergency key by loading a file, and we have a smart key system after 2016. Let's see, 4A. Okay. What is this? So we can use directly the XM38 Toyota Smart Key. Nice. And self-query password. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, it's loading but not doing anything special. Okay, request failed. We have a history, we have some Chinese. Let's go to the help. Well, overall, what I can say, it's a nice device. I don't know if I will ever use it. I just buy it as a backup for my other tools. Also, it's not expensive. I paid 85 euros for it. So maybe one day, if I do one job on Toyota card, I will break even with the investment in this tool. Maybe I will not use never ever. But I like also to have some backup hardware in case, let's say by some chance the OBD star, the hotel, it will fail. I will use this one, but I don't think, because I have also the extra adapters for OBD star, and also for Autel I have the programmer and the cables. But someday maybe I will have a car in my workshop, and I will try to program a key for this type of, let's say, Toyota, or yeah, most of Toyota. Anyway, nice tool, easy. I don't know the purpose of USB-C cable. Okay, I understand it's a USB-C, but I'm not able to read it or find the purpose. What I want to try, oh, the remote system now it's working. So we have remote system for Corolla, old Lexus, Chinese version, and this I don't have a clue what it is. Well, if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.